Hi, my name is Mr. Meyer, and I'd like to welcome you to Chem is Try Chemistry. Ouch. Okay, goal of this video is to provide you with some idea of what digital chemistry is going to look like, and to provide you with an introduction to finding the resources you need for this class in Schoology. And I'd also like to invite you to ask questions as needed, something you should be doing all year long. I'm going to go to a screen share here, and it's my first week, so I'm not going to be real quick with this, but we will get there. Now, I have a course outline, and I'm going to highlight a few things, certainly not everything right here. Okay, we're going to learn about atoms and molecules and moles. Let me grab something here because I like my little marker to point things out. Okay, so we're going to be talking about atoms and molecules and moles, and really how the universe operates at the molecular level. It's going to be challenging. Hopefully it's going to be fun. Work hard, share ideas, and remember, chem is try, with the emphasis on always try. We have a textbook, and I don't know if you can see that here. It's called A Natural Approach to Chemistry. It's not going to be our primary source of information. It's a support resource, but I think it will be useful in explaining concepts. You're going to need to pick this up through the Media Center and look online for the Media Center schedule to do that. Okay, here are a number of responsibilities. I got to find my tab here, which I think I can do. Okay, academic integrity. Just going to emphasize this. I'm going to focus my efforts on providing you with quality instructional materials and coaching. Spending time on cheating patrol takes away from this. Therefore, I'm going to need you to exhibit a high level of academic integrity. I really need an accurate idea at any point in time of what your current knowledge and skill set is, so that I can always be helping you get to the next step. So be honest with me, be honest with yourself, and you're going to get a lot out of this class. Okay, student expectations. Maximize your learning opportunities, respect for self, team, and learning environment. And I think the integrity piece is really important there. And then communication. You are directing your own learning experience, but we're trying to provide a lot of support. Get extra help as needed. Don't be afraid to ask. 3 keys to success: front load. You're going to manage long-term deadlines here with everybody scheduled for meetings at different times of the week. So you're going to get, like for this first unit, materials to cover 2 weeks. Don't wait till the last week to do it. Keep up on a normal pace, suggested pace, or even work ahead. Study deep. So not just the what, but the why and the how. And then again, get help, ask questions from me, from your peers, you can form study groups, whatever you need to do, and let me know what I can do to support you with that. Okay, some of these other things you can read through. Schoology, we're going to look at a little bit more closely. I'm just going to emphasize, check the updates. Sometimes I'll throw something in there. For example, oh, I forgot to give you the Zoom password. Or a lot of people were asking the same questions, so I said, oh, I'll put together an extra sample problem, and then I can just announce it so you know where to find that. Or let's say I'm going to delay the test today, okay? Those types of announcements I can put out there for you. All right, let's go to the next piece. And just how is this going to work, especially if you're a digital learner? So introducing concepts instead of a lecture, they're going to be done through video presentations online. Homework assignments, you're going to be working through those, and instead of doing some of that work in class, you're going to be doing those on your own or connecting with people to help with those concepts. A lot of it will be self-checking your work, and answer keys will be provided, so you can do that. Q&A work is going to be more done with Zoom and those types of things. And let's see, lab work, this is really the big distinction between cohort C, the digital learners, and then those who are going to be in class. Those in class will typically do lab work during the 70-minute block, or at least part of it. The digital learners are going to be able to get video showing the equipment procedures for that, and then you'll get data supplied instead of getting them, and then you can still draw conclusions from that. Sometimes cohort C students will get an alternative digital lab when those are available, if there's good simulation. All right, Zoom sessions. So you're only scheduled for 30 minutes a week for digital learners. That's really not enough question answer time or contact time. So I'm I'm planning at least 2 other Zoom sessions to help you with that for Q&A. So take advantage of that. All right, I'm gonna go to a typical homework packet. And notice I lumped assignments into a first week and into a second week. You can plan your own schedule, but I caution you on waiting till the last minute. Just a little look at a schedule. You're really planning what you're doing when. You know when you're going to meet, either just some extras when the optional Zooms are, or Wednesday is kind of a contact day where I don't meet with any students, but there are some optional times there. If unsure, you can always email me and ask questions, or if you think you need to meet, just do that. Okay, the final thing that I want to do is show you a little bit about Schoology. So I believe I got to stop my share to do this and switch screens in order for it to record. And let's go to a share with this. So you're going to look here, check this updates. You're going to be automatically on materials, but check for updates. I'm not going to probably post every day, but I'll post things when they come up and it will help you with things. Okay, this general resources and support is something common to all classes put up by Eastview in the district. The Meyer chemistry resources, there's not a lot here yet, a couple of websites you could check out. We're going to accumulate like periodic tables, common ion tables, a lot of charts and references, saying, oh, I wish I had that chart. You can always find them here. And then this will be the big content thing right here. I'm sorry, this is a support guide. This is another resource. This just has your course outline or syllabus that I'm going through today. Read that closely for next week. All right, the other piece that we have from the main menu here is the chemistry instruction materials. That's where you're going to find most everything. Unit 1, scientific math. So this homework packet's going to be like 20 pages. There's a lot of assignments. There's a few support things. And there is a key on the last page, so you can be checking your work. Okay, page 5 and 6 is something dimensional analysis. Ms. Sundberg actually did a video for this. You can view that and work with that, and then you can check your answers for accuracy. Metric conversions, it doesn't have a name on the video. That means it's mine. And I actually supplied some notes with that too. And same thing with the density video, I did that. Ms. Sundberg did a video with scientific notation, and Mr. Brewer did a video with significant figures, okay? So we're gonna divide up Mr. Brewer, Ms. Sundberg, and I, the videos. Sometimes we will both have a video on a topic, and like I really like what Mr. Brewer and Ms. Sundberg did with the basics of significant figures. There's nothing I need to add there, but I might add a video with why we use it. So we're going to kind of mix up. Sometimes you'll see 2 of the same things, and whichever one helps you learn better, we want to provide you with those opportunities and still not overwhelm you. But they're pretty short, and I think they can be helpful. All right, so that's a little bit of a look at Schoology. And I think I'd just like to close with check out Schoology and take a close look at the course outline. And then you can get started in the Unit 1 homework packet. I look forward to working with you this year and Zooming with you next week. Thank you.